Good morning, I'm Stephane Boyer. I'm a French translator for Sell Beyond. We are translating, English product to in French for the French market indeed. I just want to tell you a funny cultural, colloquial fact. As you could see, I spent my national service under the French flag in the French Navy, and there is a funny tradition indeed. Then if you touch the pom-pom, the famous red pom-pom from the French Navy, it brings good luck. But apart from the fact that we use it to attract the girls around, but in fact, I just want to tell you that we must keep the faith in the future, and that's only a little pom-pom, but let's hope.